Okay, magandang umaga. Tayo ay may nag-request ng ng pinakbet. Pinakbet daw, pinakbet. So bibili tayo ng gulay at isda na rin. Paprito na lang tayo dito sa Seafood City. Okay, tara sa Seafood City. Tingin tayo ng pampinakbet. Ito na lang, paprito natin.
Six, 5, 6.
Paprito ko yan. Cut into 3.
Regular lang.
Oo. Tatlo cut into 3. Mga to, delikado kasi ito. Mas makatsan mo dito. Oh, Lily! Hey, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
What's going on?
Okay, nothing much.
Nothing much?
Yeah.
You don't miss work?
No, that's definitely.
How's your New Year? Good?
Okay, okay. How's going on there?
Crazy. Getting busy.
Yeah. Huh.
Super.
People, they find out worker.
Good worker. I like those kind of people like works a lot.
Yeah.
People are taking some extra hours, but you know how they work.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, there.
Sheila, Tess, Alfred, Patrice, of course. Every morning.
Like me.
Me too. I'd rather step out,
Yeah,
you know?
Exactly.
Right? Okay, Lily, I'm gonna get my vegetable. Alright, alright. Palaya mas masarap. Ano? Bless you.